Congress leader Rahul Gandhi addressed a rally at Thoothukudi in Tamil Nadu. He claimed the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh had destroyed institutional balance in the country.
It is dead because one organization, the RSS, has combined with huge finances to penetrate and disturb and destroy our institutional balance. That is what has happened. There are many different manifestations of this. Misuse of sedition law, killing of people, threatening of people. These are all symptoms of the problem. But the problem is that concentration of capital has combined with the organization of the RSS and has disturbed, and I would say actually destroyed, the institutional balance in the country.
The Congress leader questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi, alleging he was running the government with two people.
See, everything has some use or the other. Everything has a use, right? The Prime Minister, the question is not whether he is useful or useless. The question is to who is he useful? See, I am useful to farmers of this country. I am useful to poor people in this country. I am useful to women in this country. I am useful to youngsters in this country. Narendra Modi is useful to two people. He is extremely useful because those two people are using the Prime Minister of India to increase their wealth dramatically. And believe me, when the time comes, they will throw him like that. Right? So it is important we have to understand our opponent. He is useless to the poor people. He is very useful to hum do hamare do.
After addressing the law students, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi addressed a public gathering at the venue. The former Congress president blamed the centre for ignoring the culture and tradition of Tamil Nadu.
How the government in Delhi is disrespecting the people of this country. How they are disrespecting the Tamil language, Tamil history, Tamil culture. India is a union of many different ideas, many different languages, many different traditions. All these traditions, languages, cultures, histories have to be respected.
Furthermore, Rahul Gandhi said the current state government is controlled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
We have an election coming. The current government is controlled by the government of Delhi. Mr. Narendra Modi thinks that Tamil Nadu is like a television, that he can sit in his sitting room and use a remote control to control Tamil Nadu. We are going to take the batteries out of his remote control and throw them away. I'd like to also remember the legendary person from Thoothukudi, Rao Bahadur Cruz Fernandez, was a legend of this place. His vision and foresight is demonstrated by his contribution towards the drinking water scheme.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is on a 3-day visit to Tamil Nadu ahead of the assembly elections. Tamil Nadu assembly elections will be held in a single phase on April 2nd, 2021, and the counting of votes will be completed by May 2nd.